Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to select HTTPS only modes, enable HTTPS only mode in private windows only in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been pinned in my taskbar. So click here. So go to the three bar icons, click here and we will press the settings. So in settings we will go to the privacy and security as because we will work to the HTTPS secure mode. So go to the below side, scroll this, sorry, before that privacy, and in below side HTTPS only mode. So here the means is that it has been declared here the HTTPS provides a secure encrypted connection between Firefox and the website you visit. So most websites support HTTPS, and if HTTPS only mode is enabled, then Firefox will upgrade all the connections to HTTP. So we will do the second option. So enable HTTPS only mode in private windows. So when we are working with the private windows, so in that case we will press the enable mode. So in this way we can enhance our HTTPS mode. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.